men can make friends anywhere and they make one friend and they keep that for life.
Yeah.
But I've heard,
Yeah.
I have heard
What?
from the grapevine
Mhm.
that scratching your balls, like basically there's a technique to scratch your balls.
It's this.
It's you have to pinch it and apparently it feels great.
Yeah, it feels
Hmm.
almost orgasmic.
This men are not single by choice. Men are single because they can't.
Out of
Circumstances.
circumstance.
Yes, women are single by choice. If I'm
Correct.
single right now, I want to be single, not because I don't have men
Yeah.
DMing me or like men who don't like me or like me.
Clock it.
They have started earning even if it's peanuts from a really, really young
Yep.
age. I remember
Yeah.
my dad told me that I think he started working when he was like before 18. I think he was
Yeah, same.
like 16,
Yeah.
17. He was doing some of the other odd jobs,
Yeah.
but he was earning something.
And if you like me, approach me.
Just say it.
You have zero competition. No one's in line.
I really, really like seeing some men in love. Thank you for interrupting me.
Hi guys, I am Zia.
Hi, I'm Dhritika.
I'm Sanjana.
And we are Besharam.
You know, as much as I love being a girl, I love everything about being a girl.
Yeah.
I don't think there's one. Of course, there are a few things that I hate about being a girl,
Yeah.
but I also cannot stop wondering sometimes what it might feel like to be a guy for a day.
For real.
So when I thought of this idea too, like when we discussed that we should do it, I more thought of like, what would I be like if I was a guy? For a day makes it seem like, okay,
Too
it's gonna
rushed.
end.
Yeah.
So of course, like I'm gonna do all the like fun stuff, but like, what does it feel like to be
To
a guy?
ground level. And I know that we also, as much as we show that, you know, we shit on men and stuff, I also have a very soft spot for a lot of men in
Yeah.
my life.
Yes.
And I do appreciate them. And it's not, I don't always like hate
Yeah.
them.
Hmm.
And of course, I don't want to say, oh, not all men. We all know it's not all men. But I feel like for the nice men that I do have in my life, I have a really big like soft spot and
Yeah.
appreciation for them.
Definitely.
And I also like,
And yeah, I mean, I would just like to step in their shoes if I had the chance for a day or for a while to just
yeah.
understand what it feels like to be a guy
Yeah, I'd like to
and experience
know
things.
what it feels like to be a guy. Of course, you know, we always talk about like what the experience of being a woman. And by we, I don't mean society. I mean us.
Yeah.
We talk about like what it feels like to be a woman. It's so fun. This, that, and the third.
Mm.
But many a times, like I had this realization a few months ago where I was like, fucking hell. The issues that men have and the issues that men have due to patriarchy
Yes.
are so real too.
Yeah.
I'm
And
so
they
glad
just-
that men have now brought that into the
Yeah.
conversation
Yeah.
and they've realized that hey, patriarchy doesn't only affect women, it also
Yeah.
affects men to
Sometimes-
a very huge extent.
Sometimes it
Yeah.
affects them
More
more
than
than
it
it
does.
does to us.
Definitely.
Many men like to hold on to the idea that patriarchy is what is best for society, and that's just conditioning. I really don't blame them.
I don't
That's how-
blame them.
Yep.
Yeah.
That's how they've been raised. That those are the ideas that you know are their reality. You know, whatever you think of is your reality.
Yeah.
Reality is nothing but your thoughts.
Yeah.
So I'm not gonna blame them, and I'm not gonna say that, oh, you're so shitty for thinking patriarchy is benefiting you because you're blind. I'm not really gonna do that because, bro, like imagine as a woman, you went to college,
Hmm.
you wanted to study further. There isn't a like maybe family pressure, but there is never really a societal pressure for you to earn as soon as you turn 18.
Yep.
Yeah.
But when
true.
like if a woman's not earning, it's like, okay, it's okay because her husband's probably gonna take care of
Hmm.
her,
It's
and that's more accepted in the Indian context at least.
true.
But for men, no matter if they live in India or anywhere else on the globe, they're expected to be adults as soon as they have hit puberty.
It's like an unsaid rule because even when I've spoken to like my dad or like a few older men in my life, they have started earning even if it's peanuts from a really, really young
Yep.
age. I remember
Yeah.
my dad told me that I think he started working when he was like before 18. I think he was
Yeah, same.
like 16,
Yeah.
17. He was doing some of the other odd jobs,
yeah.
but he was earning something.
Exactly.
Definitely.
And I feel like if you compare it to the women in my or his family when he was at that age, they didn't have that pressure. They didn't have that expectation from them to go out there and work.
Steve
Definitely.
Harvey has this segment on his show where he gives the people in his crowd advice. And this woman was just talking about an issue that she had with her boyfriend who she just called off the engagement with. And he was like, Steve Harvey was like, women have a biological clock, but men have a financial clock. They need a set income. They need to be assured of what they can provide to the family.
Yeah.
Which 100% in the modern day is an issue for women too, because women like you and me who are educated to make it so that we earn one day, we've been raised like that. That pressure's on me too.
Yeah.
I want to know what it feels like to earn and what it feels like to have a stable income.
Yeah.
But men everywhere feel like that.
Yeah.
And it's also
From any social
women,
status, they just have that conditioning.
women are so free. Again, we have evolved. Women have gone through a lot of hardships to be able to say the statement that it's fine if I don't earn. I want to be a stay-at-home mom, or I want to just stay at home and look after my husband's family. But I get it. It's come from a place where we have been forced to do that, irrespective of us not wanting to do that. But for men, it's just one statement: I need to provide for my family.
Yeah.
Even if they think of doing something that's outside of the very generic career streams that's going to make them money, they need to think 100 times before investing into something like that.
Yeah.
It doesn't necessarily have to be something that they're very passionate about. It's a small thing, like a very small thing. I just want to take up some classes. They need to think about, मैं classes कर लूँगा, ठीक है, but what about
What is
the
my
thing,
ROI?
what's gonna pay my bills? What's gonna pay my
Provide
family's
for
bills?
me,
And
yeah.
we do not have that.
That's so
Yeah.
true. Even when I talk to my guy friends, it's different for them.
It really is.
Yeah.
It really is.
It is.
Their experience is different, and I wanted to be, as a collective, we wanted to discover that. We wanted to be like, okay, if I was a man,
What am I doing?
What would I do? What would I want to experience
Yeah.
for myself?
Let's get the obvious out
Yes.
and away. 100% I'm
Be
going to scratch
standing
my
up.
balls.
And being standing up. That's literally the first point.
Be standing up. Wait.
That's the first thing on my list.
Yes.
Being standing up with no stress of getting an
Be
infection. Bitch!
Standing up without getting an infection, yes, and just holding it in my hand.
And doing the...
like playing Pichkari, bro.
If we were all men, मैं तुम लोगों के साथ पेचे लड़ाती भाई.
No, men do that.
They do
Men
that,
do that.
with their buddies.
Men are actually very cute like that
Yeah.
because, I was talking to one of my guy friends and they told me that, how when we go to the bathroom, we're all like, oh my God, do you want to come with me? Even if you don't want to pee, you come
Yeah.
with me. And then
Yeah.
a lot of guys are like, oh, what are you going with your girlfriends to the bathroom? Guys do it too.
Really?
They go and do it too, and they all stand in the urinal together and are peeing and there. But they do it too.
I saw this Gujarati film called Chillo Divas. It's a very old film
Okay.
where there are like there are actually 5 of guy friends in one group, but the 3 of them out of the 5 are like extremely tight. And they go, so in this scene they're at a movie and they've like interval के time पर वो washroom गए, ठीक है, 5 साथ में गए washroom, and then they're standing like एक unit में. And they're like, we're going to do a competition of, you start at the count of 1 and then you see who finishes the last. The one who finishes peeing first has to pay for everyone's popcorns.
Fair.
I want that!
Fair.
I want that!
Yeah.
I want to pee. I mean, we have peed.
We've peed with the door open.
We have done that.
We've shat with the door.
We've shat.
Like,
We've done it.
We've done it all.
When we are shooting in this other place that we have, we only have one washroom and the
commode is
dresser.
attached
Yeah.
to the main bathroom. So we have to get ready there, shit there, pee there,
Our
gossip
stuff is
there.
there.
go through
Everything.
content over there. Everything happens in that one
Char by char ka
char by char
kholi.
kholi.
Exactly.
And the amount of stupid ass memories we've had there is whack. There's a time where Zia's zip
I was about to say.
my zip broke.
her zip broke mid-shoot, and this is the day when we're filming almost 8 to 10 looks
Yeah, so this was
different-
the photo shoot. This
Yeah,
was the
like
photo
the-
shoot day.
the reveal of Besharam and how it's going to
Besharam.
go about, and we're filming 10 almost 8 to 10 looks in one day, and we've all carried clothes and हमने कपड़े राशन करके रखे, मतलब ये पैंट यहाँ चलेगा यहाँ चलेगा यहाँ चलेगा,
Yeah.
ये यहाँ पर यहाँ पर यहाँ पर, और उस दौरान जिया की जिप टूट चुकी है.
Yeah.
संजना, सृष्टि, जिया और मैं बाथरूम में लगे हुए उसकी जिप
Like
कर
we
रहे हैं.
are like at it,
We're
like
at her
pulling it
crotch.
up.
We're at
we're
her
at-
crotch and like.
And I'll tell you
fixing.
something
So
so
intimate.
funny. I'll tell you something so fucking funny. None of the pictures have anything below this.
So you are just seeing.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Why did we do that?
None of the pictures. I should have just come pantless or what something else. I had like
No, but
3
yeah,
pairs
that
of
is-
pants.
that is true.
But I've heard.
Yeah.
I have heard
What?
from the grapevine
Mhm.
that scratching your balls, like basically there's a technique to scratch your balls.
It's this.
It's you have to pinch it and apparently it feels great.
Yeah, it feels
Hmm.
almost orgasmic.
That's what they say.
Wow.
Yeah.
And I need to try that.
Yeah,
I really
no.
need to.
But I feel like, bro, imagine having scratchy balls, dude. Because it's underneath, right? So you can't even do it over your pant. You have to like unzip and put your hand in there and like do the deed.
But it's like taking out a wedgie, right? It's so intimate for what?
I know, like, ew, what? No, actually, I'm not gonna shit on them for that. It's whatever, but yeah.
Our system is all inside.
Yeah.
True. But then I would also like on a dry pavement if I had to
Hmm.
pee outside.
Hmm.
But imagine how fun it might be to make
Make
art.
Exactly, dude.
With such goals.
With such
Such
goals.
And
I'm
with a
sure
ball also.
I'd make a bow. I'd make a Hello Kitty or something also.
Yes.
Trying to get like
if
wild
you're
there.
really
मतलब
like
एक bottle down करो और फिर up.
yeah.
It should be like a sport or something.
Oh my god!
National television.
Yeah, they can just not show the
Yeah,
crotch.
but
Or
like
like
just the
you-
art.
Yeah, just show the art and the artist.
Don't they do diving? Don't they dive for the Olympics? Where it's like all of the art form is when you're up in the air.
Yes.
So all
I'm
of the
pretty sure guys do it. Like if they're not when they're sober, probably, but when they're drunk, they probably might be making shapes and all. Na?
For sure.
I think it's pretty fun because if I know one thing about men, it's that they are very like silly like that. They're cute and
Hmm.
silly and like stupid like
Yeah.
that. So they find happiness in small things.
They do.
They do.
They do.
They actually do, and I
Yeah.
think this is one of the things that
Like
they
my
might do.
dad's like favorite thing ever
Hmm.
is ussal. He's such a
Aw.
simple
My
guy.
dad has ussal every Thursday.
Every Thursday?
Yeah.
It's
And
such
now
a
I have
sim-
started having it too.
It's not good.
Missal, bro. Ussal
Ussal is
missal.
No,
different.
ussal is just
Ussal is Gujarati dish. Misal
No,
is
no.
the pav wala.
ussal is the vatana ka
Farsan.
gravy.
Ah,
Vatana ka gravy is ussal, and then when you mix it with farsan kanda, all that is missal.
missal.
No, I think they're two different things.
No, it's that.
It's that.
That's that.
Vatana and the
Okay.
gravy is ussal.
Yeah,
Okay.
my dad
Yeah.
has that every Thursday.
Really?
Wow.
I love it.
You like it?
Yeah.
Like he just likes ussal. Like that's so sweet.
It's so random also.
it's
like
very
one day he's
cute.
like, Ussal.
Ussal. Yeah.
And I'm going to love it for the rest of my life.
And he has a routine. Like every Monday he'll have thepla.
Hmm.
Then Thursday he'll have like ussal or misal.
Hmm.
Yeah.
And then Saturday my mom makes like either upma or poha
Hmm.
or something like that. And like he's set. He loves it.
He loves it,
Hmm.
right?
He's cute like that.
They're really cute like that. You know
Yeah.
one other thing that I would do if I was a guy, and I'll do it unapologetically. Sorry, my nose is clogged. But I would do it unapologetically. Is go around calling people broski. I think that's so cute.
Guys have
Broski.
a lot of pet names for their guy friends, and like
I
they'll only
always-
call them by like a memory or like a shared
Yes.
experience
It's
that they've
also
had.
really cute when guy friends call their guy friends like baby, babu,
Yeah.
Sona, Sweetu. That's so
Yeah.
cute.
I don't hate men, dude. they're great.
No, and also
Not all
like
men.
every time that I've heard a guy say broski to any other guy,
Hmm.
I've always been like, ew, you're such like a weird sobo guy.
Hmm.
मतलब तू ऐसा ही है, stereotypical है वगैरह वगैरह.
Yeah.
But मुझे अंदर से वो बहुत ज्यादा cute लगता है. It's like calling somebody girly pop.
Yes. And you know,
Broski and girly pop is same.
and bro, I feel now this has only led me to believe that there is no such thing as being cringe. Like if you really own up to it, no. Like at
Yeah.
like your
Yeah.
core, you
Yeah.
like it, but
Yeah.
only because of society or
Arpit,
conditioned.
doing it.
Arpit Bala said this. He said that the word chapri is one word that has made culture so boring. He said that every time you see a poor person do anything remotely to look even remotely rich,
Yeah.
you're like chapri.
Yes, right.
He's trying something. He's going out of the box,
Yeah.
and you're like chapri. And
Correct.
that has
You're killing the passion that that person is bringing to the table, and
yeah.
for what? For like using a slur, like that.
That's bad.
That's bad.
Can't believe I quoted Arpit Wala.
Yeah.
No, it's not chapri, He's
not chapri.
great. I know he's not chapri. He's great only.
I want to think again. Like every time I think something is chapri, I want to think again. I want to see,
Rethink. Yeah.
I want
Challenge
to see-
myself.
Is it really?
is it really
And
chapri?
what is the definition of chapri?
Exactly.
Yeah.
If you want to take it there.
Anyway,
Another
What-
thing that I would do if I were a man for a day is, how do men inhale food in 5 seconds?
I have no fucking clue.
They
No,
have
in
a
that
bunch-
way, I relate.
You are
You live up to it.
I am a man like
Yeah.
that.
You're also because you're a fast eater.
Most men are.
No,
fast eaters.
even if somebody's not, if I'm eating with a man, let alone it be my father, we're all eating ice cream together.
Yeah.
Same amount of ice cream, same flavor, so there's no way this man has been able to eat it faster. But we're all having a good time, like taking
We're savoring
small
it.
sips,
Dad is like
enjoying it.
wiping
This
the bowl.
Man,
Yeah.
this man's taking big spoonfuls and shoving it.
I
And
love
he's
that.
enjoying
Bro, there's a different kind of fun in having a mouthful of something.
Not ice cream.
You know that
I
No,
used to
dude,
like-
it
some
is.
things are worth devouring with small bites.
Once I had a
No.
cousin who was a guy,
Hmm.
and he was at my house, and we had dal gosh at home.
Hmm.
He piled on, like, there's no hate, no shade to him.
Yeah.
Obviously, that food was there to eat. He piled it on.
Hmm.
He shredded up the mutton. He shredded up the
Yum.
loki, that doodhi that's in the dal. Like doused it all, mixed it all up, shoving it, bro. He's
Yes,
shoving
Men-
it.
that's the way.
Some
Why?
Because I don't know
I
how
don't
to.
You're not savoring it.
I
men
don't know how
just
to
love
explain it,
mixing
but-
their food, I feel.
Yes, but
Yeah.
I don't know why. But then I feel just mixing everything up and keep having a
Every
mouthful
bite
of
is
it,
the same then.
bro. But that's what I feel like the flavor just like gets enhanced.
I agree with you when you said some things are meant to be had. You just
Mm.
stuff your mouth, but then some things you need to really sit and devour the taste of
Yeah.
it. You can't.
I like
Fair.
customizing my bites.
Yes,
I love
true.
customizing.
I
mine.
like
So
every-
that's not possible if
No,
you're
so
mixing
the
everything
thing
up.
is, I usually do that for the first initial bites, but then my last few bites
Hmm.
have to be very, very strategic. It has to have elements of everything in my
Hmm.
plate, so
So
that
that-
it's the perfect bite,
Hmm.
like the perfect
Yeah.
last 3 bites.
Yes.
No man has ever thought of that.
No man has
Mhm.
ever thought of that.
They're eating just to fuel themselves. It feels
Yeah.
like.
I agree.
They're at a petrol pump. They're like a paise do niklo. And
Yeah.
honestly, sometimes like because guys like naturally they require more food
Hmm.
biologically, they spend so much money on food.
Yeah.
Like guys spend so much. Like I'll go to a restaurant and
Hmm.
I'll order like if I order French fries, bro, I don't think I'm having a main. Sometimes if I'm not very hungry,
Sometimes, yeah.
I'm good with like a plate of French fries and a beverage.
Hmm.
But then a guy will always need like a pasta or like
Yeah.
a burger.
Yeah,
or
like
like
a
they
pizza,
need
whatever.
something substantial
Yeah.
to hold them up.
And I feel
Because
like
French fries is like for them.
Yeah.
it's like chakna for them.
Yeah,
Yeah.
exactly.
That's why many girls are anemic. They're not fucking eating.
Yeah, like
Mm.
girl dinner.
Ice.
There's no man dinner.
I will have
Yeah.
ice for dinner.
Exactly.
But you know that whole thing about them just constantly buying more things, or even if it is for themselves or for other people.
Hmm.
And now again, I don't know if this is just because they're conditioned like that, or if they genuinely also love it. They like being providers, some of them.
Yeah.
It doesn't have to be a provider in a financial sense, but also just being there for their family, their friends, their partners maybe. It gives them a sense of main hu yahan. Like,
No,
I am there.
This take of mine probably might not age very well.
Okay.
Okay. But don't hold me up against it. Right now, as I stand, my beliefs are sometimes yes, men like being providers,
Hmm.
but women also like nurturing.
But that's the thing, that both of them bring very different things to the table.
Exactly.
And that's what I
sometimes
love.
If I try to hypothesize a relationship in my head,
Hmm.
I really would like to, sometimes treat him with a handmade dinner. I would
Yes,
love to do
I
that.
I
love to
want
do
that.
that.
I want to do that. I want him to come home to a clean house. I want on the table.
If like bro, 2 years back we heard ourselves right now.
You're joking.
She'd be
No,
mad,
this is
enraged.
I think 2 years back we were
Sometimes.
pseudo feminists.
Yes. No, I agree.
No, right? I
Because
feel
my idea of feminism has really evolved
yes.
in TY when I learned it in depth.
correct.
Yes.
And I learned how nuanced feminism has become. Yes, I agree it was started as a movement for women and the name says it all.
Yeah.
But feminism is a lot,
Such a broad concept.
a lot more than that now.
Yep.
With every single gender, binary, non-binary, every single one of them face problems because of them being
In a patriarchy,
associated with that gender that they associate themselves
Yeah.
with.
Yeah.
And oh my god, I do not like the fact that I thought feminism is just this one thing that's
Yeah,
about
like
women and
women
women
over men.
only.
Yeah.
Like fuck that, dude.
It's not about that.
I sometimes I like you said I want to be the woman for
But no,
a
no.
guy.
Like I want to have financial security. That is a priority for me.
For sure.
I'm not dependent on anyone. I think that's the leaps that feminism has taken that we should
Exactly.
be very grateful
Yeah.
for.
So what from what I'm understanding, what you're trying to say is, as much as you deny this, men and women are different.
They are.
What they bring to the table, what they bring to a friendship, a relationship, any sort of relationship is very different, and I'm glad it's different.
Yes.
I don't want to bring the same things a man does, and I don't want a man to bring the same things I do.
For sure.
Yeah.
I feel like both men and women contribute to such different things. Get such different things, and they contribute to something so beautiful.
Yeah.
That-
And I feel
Definitely.
like, why would you want to fight against that?
Like sometimes I think of the things that my dad does, and I'm like, God, like if I ever move away from my house in the same city to another house, I will not have these amenities. I will not have somebody waking up at 6 a.m.
Right.
getting me breakfast.
Hmm.
I will not
Yeah.
have somebody. What the fuck do I do when my bulb is off?
Yes.
Who do I call? I don't know an electrician in this area.
Yeah.
I don't know. Like, that day I went to my dad and I was like, these are old pants and I need you to take it to your tailor and fix them and like make them
Yes.
something else. And then he was like, yeah, sure. And they're just such
Fixers. And you know what? Most of the time, you don't even have to tell them that you want this done. You'll just happen to mention that, oh shit, this broke or like this needs fixing. Next day you come back home, it's done.
Sanj.
Dude, my dad's doing it himself. Fuck it.
Exactly. Fuck that. You remember, what did I give you in the morning?
So Zia's dad, so when we were coming for the shoot, we got in the cab and Zia just hands us 3 small bottles of attar.
Yeah.
And we were like, huh? And then she's like, my dad got it for y'all.
We didn't ask. We were at Zia's place this one time and I wear attar a lot because of my
Yeah.
dad. I started to wear it myself and I made her sniff the attar I was wearing and she's like, even my dad has this really great scent. Do you want to smell it? I'm like, yeah, sure. And then I smelled it and then I think uncle was in the hall and he's
Yeah.
like, he heard the conversation and I'm like, this is a really great scent. And he's like, I'll get it for you. I think he said that.
Yeah,
no?
he just said that, okay, I'll get it.
Yes.
Like months ago. And then whenever he got the time, he just got 3 bottles for her and Sushti. Whenever
Yeah,
Sushti
so-
comes back.
So most of the time, it's not even like,
It's always in the back of their head.
it's always, and they always have this thing ki, haan, mujhe ye karna hai, I have to get this done.
Yes.
And I don't know if, again, this is conditioning or this
Yeah.
is something that they genuinely like doing,
So-
but they do it.
Men in love.
Men in love. This one time we had to call for dinner at home and like दीदी मैं और मम्मा हम दोनों को मतलब वो दाल नहीं पसंद है unless we're at the hotel we like it warm but then hotel से घर पर आते थे ठंडी हो जाती है फिर वो गाढ़ी हो जाती है तो
Yeah.
it doesn't really have its essence anymore.
Yeah.
So we had to call for food and we weren't that hungry कि हम 2 सब्जियां मंगाए उस दिन.
Yeah.
तो we were contemplating कि अब क्या order करना है and then every time that we call for food at home from this restaurant that's like close by our house my dad always mentions that he wants to have the dal because my dad loves a good dal like a dal
Yeah.
tadka
Oh
And
my
all
God,
dads
yes.
do that.
Yeah.
dads and dals
Dal tadka specifically.
they're like this
Dads and dals.
They're
Double
like
Ds.
this.
Double D's.
double D's and डैड ने बोला कि मुझे दाल खाने का मन कर रहा है एंड देन मम्मा ने बोला कि सिर्फ तू खा ना दाल ओनली यू आर द वन टू ईट दाल बाकी हम तीनों
तू खा
तू खा
हम तीनों नहीं खाते तो हाउ मच विल यू आल्सो बी एबल टू फिनिश और फिर उस दिन मतलब पापा ना एकदम थोड़े से सैड हो गए कि यार अब मतलब
Yeah,
मुझे
they
दाल
do
खानी है
that,
एंड
huh?
देन दीदी और मैंने वो पढ़ लिया मतलब
Yeah,
वी सॉ पापा गेटिंग अ लिटिल डाउन तो वी लाइक चल ठीक है पापा वील गेट दैट it's okay. And it's like, नहीं ठीक है चलेगा, तुम सब्जी मंगा लो मैं खा लूंगा. And then we got dal that day and he finished the whole thing. I think my mom had like one vati of it and दीदर मैंने half लिया होगा थोड़ा सा, बाकी पूरा वो बंदे ने devour किया है दाल को.
Cute, yeah.
Bro, speaking of my dad too, there was this. So my dad has, for my whole life, had a beard. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
And it's not like a long beard. It's a stub. Not like it's a well kept short beard.
Trimmed,
Yeah.
nice.
And
Well
it's,
kept, yeah.
there's a mustache. Okay. And I've always known him like that. When I was around like 10 or 12 years old, he was overseas at work and he sent a picture to my mom where he had shaved.
Oh,
I can't
Complete.
picture your dad without a beard.
me neither.
I was like, who is this man? I'm not talking to him.
I'm just imagining
I
this
hate
much of
it.
his
Yeah.
face.
That's what, like, if I was a man, I would obviously experiment with my beard all the time.
Yeah.
I wouldn't.
And
I would.
You know, the fucking weirdest part is my dad started growing a beard after my grandmother died because my grandmother never liked the beard.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
So
And
he did that again for
I
someone
like
else.
the beard.
Fuck.
Crazy.
That is so cute.
That's so cute, right?
Why am I tearing up? No, but yeah, that is very
That's
cute.
really cute.
That's
And I'm
cute.
like, okay, you're never like shaving again. And my grandmother was like, you're never keeping a beard.
Yeah.
Yeah. So that was really cute. I would really, at least for a while, have a goatee.
I
If
would have.
was-
I
if
I
to
want
be-
to try every sort of beard,
Yeah.
like every style.
Yeah.
No.
No,
Like,
I've
I
seen
just,
this-
I just want to have that.
That's
A goatee.
No,
No,
goatee is
that's
just this.
goatee.
Oh, okay,
this,
okay,
yeah.
Just like
Goatee
the,
to hogi, yaar.
the Michael Scott beard. Just that.
The Ryan, you mean?
Yeah, the Ryan, yes.
Ryan,
That
Ryan,
one.
Ryan.
I just have
There's
that
this guy on Instagram and he has a really thick growth, okay?
one.
And like long. And whenever he gets like shaves it off, he'll always go through stages where he'll like first cut only this much.
Yes,
Then he'll cut like this much and
Oh.
keep this.
He'll
and
try
then keep
different
this.
looks.
Yeah, and
yeah.
I would do that.
You seen that where it's like this and then
Oh.
here
Oh,
and there's
oh.
nothing here. It's
That's
really
weird.
comic. I would love to try it.
That looks like a contour equivalent.
Bro, contour is like
brings-
beards
are
contoured
contoured for
for
guys.
men.
Right.
Like sometimes they shave, you're like, fuck, you don't have a chin, bro.
Bro, some men are rude. Like if they have always lived with a beard and if you suddenly remove it, it's so scary. I'm sorry. I'm
scary.
not
Like,
trying to like
I
get your
can't-
confidence down, but it's scary.
You can't see my dad without a beard. I can't see your dad with a beard.
Oh, that's a whole new person.
Bro, your dad with a beard, I can't see.
Never.
Full on, no, but he has a stubble.
No,
Bro,
but like a proper
like
growth.
a beard like my dad.
No. Me neither. I can't imagine my dad like that either.
I can't.
Exactly. Bro,
Even your dad for that
Yeah,
matter.
no, my dad was very little.
Yeah. low key, whenever I put there's a beard filter on Instagram. Whenever I put it, bro, I look exactly like my fucking dad. I am not joking. Sometimes my mom looks at pictures of me, like my friends take on a digicam, and it's like, that's dad. That is my husband with long hair and phenomenal makeup.
He ate.
He ate.
He ate. Clocked it.
Clocked it. Anyway, so beards would be one that I would love, to try.
to try out.
I
But-
think speaking of girl best friends, I
was
would
gonna come to that.
Girl
Really?
best friends.
Yeah.
Spicy.
I would really want to know how men talk to their best friends about certain things,
Really?
specifically how they talk about a girl that they like.
I want to catch them with their guard down. For once.
I
want to know what
I
it
think
feels
I
like.
think that I would be like most of us would be able to do if we got
we
into
get-
a relationship
Yeah.
with one and then secretly just record them being like
Yeah.
so yeah.
No, I feel like even when you're in a relationship with a guy,
Hmm.
he's going to treat you a little bit more different. He's going to put you on a pedestal and he's going to treat you like better, hopefully,
Yeah,
if it's a
yeah.
good relationship.
Hmm.
But when you're like an equal, I wouldn't talk to you like you wouldn't talk to me like how you would talk to your man, right?
Yeah, of course.
For
So
sure.
that'll be the same thing. They'll still have their guard up. They'll still be like they'll still have that awareness that I'm talking to a woman at the end of the day. I
It's
want
going to
them
be very respectful.
down and dirty.
Yes.
Hmm.
no fucking filter.
No fucking
Yeah.
filter. I want to experience that.
I
You know,
want to
that's why
experience
men also find it difficult to go to therapy with a guy therapist. They open up more to a female.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow.
From what I've known, they like therapy given to men should be more suitable to men's activities. So
True. I mean, of course, it's not like set in stone. Of course, it
Yeah.
probably does differ from
Men
man
to-
to
no,
man.
but that makes a lot of sense
Yeah.
where men will not be comfortable
As
opening
क्योंकि
up
वो
with other
eventually
men.
ही करेंगे भाई.
हाँ, and then they'll
हाँ नहीं.
भाई
that's
वो
the thing.
2000 रुपए दे रहा है घंटे के.
नहीं, that's the thing with men. Now, even if they meet someone on the train randomly, and if they have set up this very good rapport, मतलब शुरू कर देंगे.
yeah, true. And
Yeah.
one
That's
thing
not
about
how it is with women. Women will really be mindful of what they're saying, how they're saying it,
Correct,
how they
correct.
present themselves.
Men-
Men will not do that.
It happens way later.
It happens
in a
way later in
friendship.
women friendships. For men,
हमें
it's
कितने
from
साल
the
लग
get.
गए? हमें कितने
कितने
साल लग
साल लग गए
गए?
भाई?
I think the difference between male and female friendships are that yes, of course, we do take time in sort of opening up and getting comfortable with other people, with females. But men can make friends anywhere, and they make one friend and they keep that for life.
Yeah.
They'll
Yeah, I've
and
known
I
that.
don't
That's a trend with men. for
And-
sure.
and they don't have anything like, you know how we have, oh, I have my work bestie, I have my gym bestie, I have the एक जिसके सब
हाँ
साथ
भाई.
में करते हैं.
और
Yeah.
वही सौतन भी है.
Yes.
वो सौतन है.
Yeah.
वो सौतन है भाई. And the most craziest thing is they don't have a story to it. कि मतलब
How
बहुत-
did you become friends?
How did
We
this happen?
just were walking together one day.
एक भाई नहीं, एक बार से
I liked your shoes. We became
he
best friends.
he paid extra $10 for me और फिर तब से दोस्ती शुरू हो
Yeah,
गई.
it's
Yeah.
It's as
really
they're
random
very
as that.
they're very low. What's it called?
Maintenance.
Low maintenance, yes, but it doesn't take a lot for them to.
Yeah.
Like,
You
So
ask
gel.
girls, you
Yeah.
ask girls how they became friends, and they're like, okay, so we were
story time.
So 3 of us were in the same school and 1 of us were in a different school, but we met in
Tuition.
tuition, and then we like all bitched about like all of the subjects that we had, and then you know,
And then men will be
Yeah.
like, yeah, bro.
we didn't have any men in our tuitions. That was our story, by the way.
That was our story. If you didn't clock it,
Clock it.
Oh my god!
But yeah, another thing that I would really, really want to experience is men receiving compliments from a woman they love.
oh my god, that's so wholesome.
And
Wow.
I know, as much as they try to hide it and put on this macho face of theirs, I know they're such a soft coconut from the inside that it melts them.
Definitely.
And
yeah.
I truly would like to believe that they do open up in front of their guy friends. Of course, not to an extent that they would with their partner.
Yeah.
You know, there's some sort of guard that they still keep up while talking to their friends, even though they call
Definitely.
them like, you know, their bros or whatever.
Yeah.
It's definitely different from a friend
it
compared
is,
to a
for
partner.
sure.
For a man to open up with a man, difficult. For a man to open up with a girlfriend,
Female
comma,
friend.
female friend,
difficult.
difficult. Men opening up to their girlfriend, difficult.
Rare, but
Yeah.
after a really long time.
That is why men are so attached to their mothers.
Probably.
Because it's like, okay, she will not leave me.
She will not.
She
leave
will
me,
not.
True.
And I kind of understand. That's kind of the relation that women have with their dads. Of course, we've been
Yeah.
gushing over our dads this whole episode. But it's the same thing. You
It
know?
is.
But I would like to reevaluate my relationship with my mom as a man. Like if I was a man, I would have a completely
even
different relationship
my
with
relationship with my dad also, because
my mom.
I haven't seen many father and son duo that's like this.
Yeah.
And I would, because if I were a man, I would really cherish my relationship with my dad as much as I would with my mom. Because I want to have it both ways.
Yeah, a mother and a father, of course, bring very, very different
Yes.
things to a child's upbringing. And
For sure.
The
for sure.
dynamic is only so
Hmm.
different.
Definitely.
Yeah. One more thing. I can't wait to check out when I'm a guy or whenever I do get to be a guy for a while. Is the dating app scene really as bad as it looks? Like, I want to know what it feels like
No,
to
but
not
for a
have.
guy, it'll
For
be
a guy,
good.
it's not good. Oh yeah. Oh
For a
right,
guy, it's
right.
good.
It's good to look at, but their
Yeah.
matches will be very few.
Very
As
few.
a woman, you're humbled to see the guys that think that they would match with you. You're like,
Mhm.
this guy thought I would say yes. But as a guy, it's like you're taking what you get. You're like a scavenger.
Like you mentioned,
I just
सांस ले रही है
constantly-
काफी है.
Constantly
हाँ.
right swipe.
Yeah.
Constant.
Bro, the amount of people that I know, I
Yeah.
know, I've been on an app and I just, oh, I know this person. No. And it's like, oh,
You missed a match.
He
Yeah,
not
like,
even matched
fuck.
with me.
I saw you
Bhai.
in college yesterday and you didn't make eye contact with me.
The fuck?
The fuck?
But what are they thinking? What are these
Yeah.
thoughts that are going in? Like, and if you like me, approach me.
Just say it.
You have zero competition. No one's in line.
True.
I want to feel what it. I want
You want to feel?
what it feels like to think with your dick and not you.
Oh my god, yeah. I feel like a dick is a very big part of a man's life.
Very big. No matter what size and shape it comes in, it's big for him.
And I genuinely want to feel what it feels like to get kicked in your nuts because how bad can it be? And I know
Yeah,
I get a lot
knowing-
of hate for it.
Knowing period cramps, is it really bad?
Is it really
Is it
bad?
really a competition?
Listen, honestly, it might be worse than that, but it's a momentary pain. When
Yeah.
they get kicked
Yeah,
in the
it's
balls,
for
they
that-
freeze.
Yeah.
They're not moving about doing work. We are.
Correct.
Yes.
So the pain
I'll-
might be worse, but are you enduring it for a longer time?
I've
Yeah.
seen
You're not.
those men take that
Period cramp simulator.
and they're like actually in pain. And then like when women take the same amount of pain, they're like,
I saw this one
I
girl.
am at work,
yeah, I'm
working.
clink.
This- Yeah.
I saw this one girl. She's like eating something. I think she's eating fries or like sipping on coffee while it's at 10.
But yeah, I feel like getting kicked in your nuts,
Yeah.
even if it's very, very painful, which I'll
Yes.
give them credit for.
Yeah.
I want to experience it. I mean,
I
period
want to.
pain,
Real,
period
real.
pain we have experienced, might as well experience
Yeah.
getting kicked
Yeah,
in the
yeah.
nuts.
And then make a proper judgment.
yeah.
if-
Touch wood. And I'm very grateful for this. And I'll say it every time. I'm very grateful. My periods are not very painful.
Yeah, they're not
Hmm.
very
So I
painful.
really want to know, if I was a guy getting kicked in the balls, would that be more painful than a regular period pain? I get pain, but it's just not as much as somebody who has PCOS or PCOD or endometriosis. Like it's not as
Yeah.
bad.
Hmm.
Or cystic ovaries or whatever. Look, all
Yeah.
that bullshit. Actually, men like don't know as much about their health as women do. Like
Yeah,
when,
yeah.
women are, oh, you have PCOD, yeah, it makes sense. It makes sense. I have
Yeah. And then
cystic
they'll back it
ovaries.
up with
They'll
like
back it up. It'll be like,
their experiences,
you tried dark
scientific,
chocolate,
like give
remedies.
Yeah, like
Remedies.
gift facts.
Gift facts.
Help them
Yeah.
out. Maybe try to make
Guys will just be like, oh, I have a
I've-
boil.
yeah, I have a boil that's kind of growing actually on my back.
It has a pulse. What do I do?
And they'll be like, "Abhi phone mujhe phone hai,
I
mujhe phone hai."
actually grew eyes yesterday.
I'm just gonna let it chill. I'm gonna be best friends with it.
My new pet. My back
guys,
bowl.
guys will be like, भाई खोलना मुझे थोड़ा सा फोड़ना है उसको. देखते कितना
Actually,
possible
girls
है.
also do that with pimples, bro.
But we're more like serious about it.
Yeah.
That
बहुत
brings,
बकचोद.
They are. I don't think men are ever serious.
yeah, that brings me to the other besides
want-
making money.
Hmm.
They're not serious besides making, but
Yes.
I want to experience being a man
Yeah.
because I want to feel what it feels like not to be just a little bit sick all the time. As
do you
women, we're always a little bit sick all the time.
Yeah.
Every time you ask me, I probably am going through something. And
Yep.
maybe there are stomachache girlies, there are gas girlies,
back.
IBS girlies, there
Oh
are
my God, you're
UTI
so
girlies.
right.
I've never
like-
met a man who has motion sickness or vertigo.
right? They don't have anemia.
Oh my
They
God.
have I don't know what they're doing. I don't know what they're doing right.
I just think they don't believe in it. They're like,
होता
मन
ही
में
नहीं
नहीं
है
है तो
भाई।
है ही नहीं
होता ही नहीं है भाई, ये सब सोचने की बात है भाई.
no, they are truly manifesting.
Yes, man.
But
no, but that makes
that is part of being a woman. तुम्हें हमेशा
yeah.
थोड़ी सी बीमारी होती ही है.
Yeah.
हमेशा होती है.
हल्की
You know,
बीमारी सारी औरतों को
and
है.
the fact that men, even with the slightest amount of fever, make it like it's a huge deal.
Yeah.
What the fuck is that about? I want to do that.
You have a 98 fever.
And you're
Bro,
like,
that's body temperature.
But you know, I feel like it also comes from the fact that they will never take anything seriously. So अगर by chance हो भी गया कुछ एक बार होता है
हाँ,
तो then they're like हाँ इसको तो serious बनाना पड़ेगा.
हाँ.
But for most of the things, like of course, apart from like money, for any other thing, I will be stressing out,
Yep.
and they'll be like, "Bro, chill na, like
ठीक है.
हो जाएगा,
हो जाएगा.
bro.
Why are you
है.
stressing?" And then they make me feel like I am worried for no reason. What do you mean?
Yeah, like you go
And
to
then you also should be worried. Why am I the only one that's stressed?
like you tell your guy friends like, bro, I just got diagnosed with PCOD. They're like, it's fine only.
मतलब
As long as you're not pregnant, bro.
Listen, they're gonna be like good for you, na? No period cramps, no
Yeah.
khali fucker annoying me with your
It's like-
mood swings.
It's like they see the bright side, but bro, don't see the bright side for everything, na? Some
Yeah.
things you need to see the dark side of something.
They are only looking at the silver lining. They are not looking at the
Looking at
cloud.
the dark-
There
they
is
know
a
cloud.
cloud.
है ही नहीं. उनके लिए बस outline है और वो silver है बस.
I would want to adopt that ideology that
No, for
They are
real.
never sick, right?
yeah, I mean, but I genuinely want to feel what it's like to not be as stressed as women. And even if they are, why are they not showing it?
How
Oh
are
my
they
God.
not showing
How
it?
are they not showing
How
it?
are they keeping it
How
together so
are you-
well?
Yeah, what is this secret? Like, tell me also. No?
I just thought about this. I want another thing that I want to experience being a man is not having to worry what I'm wearing. Ever.
So true.
Yeah.
If I
Ever.
If
But
I,
you know, that is one thing that I'm not envious about men for, is that their clothes are very boring.
yeah.
Very boring.
Very.
Sometimes I would love that for myself.
But
But I know that if I'm going out, if I'm going out, I will dress up. Even
But-
if I don't want to, I will do it.
Dhritu, that's the difference, right? We have that option. We have that option that if we want, we can dress down. But they don't have that option. They have to always dress down. They have to always wear a pant
No,
and
but
shirt.
like, we
Yeah.
also have to worry about being aware that, you know, there's our panties, the shape is not being seen from our
Actually, I
thighs.
like that. I like being that
I
aware.
like having different undergarments for different
I
tops.
like being that. I like
Sometimes
being that.
I don't like it.
Then sometimes
It's a
I don't give a
I
fuck.
want to be a little carefree sometimes. with
I
what I'm
agree.
wearing.
Right,
It is a
fair.
hassle, but as like okay, now we are looking at it from a strictly like societal point of
Yes.
view. What is normal in society? What is considered normal in society? Which is like men are not wearing skirts every day. They are not wearing dresses. They're not
Yeah,
putting on
you
makeup.
can, of course.
You
but
can 100% do that, and I would love if you do that. I
Yes.
would love if you do whatever it is that makes you
Full
happy.
support.
Yes.
Full support. But when like you look at most men, it's like उनको अगर पहननी भी होगी ना bright red pants कभी
वो नहीं
तो वो
पहनेंगे.
नहीं पहनेंगे
Yeah.
and
No.
that is the problem as a woman I am not afraid like look at my top मेरी माँ का है ये मेरी माँ का है ये भाई मैंने पहन लिया
We are also so used to being scrutinized
Yeah.
कि we are like, भाई हाँ बोलने वाले ना बोल दो. क्या ही फर्क पड़ेगा? I'll might as well wear it because even if I wear something conservative, I'll be shitted on.
Yes.
correct
That's true.
But unfortunately,
especially
they don't
when,
think
when
like
they
that.
have to dress formal I feel really bad for them because if
Only
formal western only suit
So
for
hot.
women
So
it's
bad.
this so
we have suit also and we have dress also and skirt also and pants
that's because
also.
women
Beautiful.
did that for themselves like, they were like
Hmm.
if I want to dress like a man I can dress like a man but then this is also a
Right.
deeper social issue because if a girl is wearing blue it's fine but if a guy is wearing pink,
Pink.
it's gay
it's gay.
Yeah.
Exactly.
that's obviously a social issue and we didn't do that bro
Yeah, we didn't know that.
we didn't do that
We were born
You
way
can
after
love-
that started.
You can dress pink top to bottom, and I
support.
I'd be like
Support.
I'm a Barbie girl
But
I'll give you
one
Chaya
thing-
Chaya phone
I'll give you flip phone.
that Chaya Chaya
Barbie
phone
wala.
But one thing, if we speak about the dressing sense,
Hmm.
one thing I'm envious about is that they can be shirtless whenever they want.
Yes.
oh
In
and
a
if they
pool?
work out
Bro, like that is up to you now, according to your confidence. If you're confident in your body, then you can be shirtless
I know you
regardless.
like that boards
I love dad boards. But what I'm saying is, I would, of course, not in like at home only,
Yeah.
but around a pool or something. And I know we have a bikini and all, but shorts, no shirt.
No
Is a
shirt.
vibe.
अंदर
vibe.
चड्डी भी नहीं पहनी
Kacha, only
cares?
shorts.
yeah
They don't care.
they really don't care they have their organs hanging from them they have
Bro.
not a care in the world
In Sanya's episode, remember how she said that they
Yeah.
could come butt naked and this guy
Hmm.
actually came butt naked to
But-
class?
exactly
Yeah.
A girl wouldn't want to do that. Wouldn't be able
wouldn't
to
do
do
that.
that.
Yeah.
do that
I would
I
wanna
do
do that.
I would like to know what it feels like to be shirtless.
Yeah.
Yes.
And be out.
Yeah.
Like we also have hanging body parts, but like we are conditioned to keep them covered.
Yes.
Cupboard?
Cupboard.
In the cupboard.
In the cupboard, yeah.
Imagine having doors.
Mine at home. ये बाजू वाले का है.
Speaking about clothes and everything, that's subjective. Whole conversation can be happened on that.
Can be happen.
Can be had.
Can be had on that. Wow. It's a long conversation if you really
Correct, yeah.
sit and think about it. But one thing that I know for a fact that every single woman is collectively going to feel and agree on is I want to roam on the streets at like 2 a.m. and 3 a.m. like
Yes.
a laffangar.
Oh,
Because I love me a good nightlife.
And when,
I am an owl. I thrive in the night. Everything that I
know.
want to do is
I get
associated with
this.
and
me doing something in
Yeah.
the night.
Bro, you
And-
get this surge of energy at 10 p.m.
Yes.
And when we say nightlife, we don't necessarily mean like party.
Yeah.
Literally just taking a walk.
I don't care. Listen, partying is the last thing that I want to do if I were a man on the list. Partying is the last because I can do that when I go out with my friends or my cousins.
Correct.
Being a woman also. But
Yeah.
I want to go out on a drive by myself in the night. I just want to go for a walk.
Yeah.
I
For
just
that,
want
I'm
to sit at
grateful.
Nariman Point at like 2 a.m., 3 a.m. and just chill, yaar. Matlab, no stress.
I'm grateful in this city, Mumbai.
Yes,
It is safe.
true.
It is.
But, you know, your parents are always hesitant.
Yes.
They're always, and I can bet you, if they had a son, my parents had a fucking son, I would be able to tell them, bro, you're letting him go, you're gonna let me go, too.
Mhm.
Not with him.
Not
Not with him.
Not-
घर
Alone.
के मर्द के साथ चलो and the
Yeah.
मर्द is 4 years old.
Other murd is a dog.
Srushti. Srushti.
No, but yeah, that
The
I agree.
nightlife and the fact that men can just leave the house saying, Aya.
Yes.
Aya.
Without giving any sort of explanation as to where you're going, what
Scooty-
time you're coming back, who you're going with, what are you doing.
I don't think a man has ever shared his location with his parents.
Oh,
That's on my list. Do not share your location when you're going out alone. Oh my god.
What a privilege.
What a fucking privilege.
Yeah.
And it doesn't have to be during the night time. The location thing, my dad has this rule that even if he is going out alone for that matter, he will always text ki pahunch gaya ya nikal gaya or on the way home or I'm going to
Spooky
be
dad.
late. All of that. But that started with my sister and me texting or
Yeah.
like even if not texting constantly ki, giving updates every half an hour 1 hour. He needs that from my sister and me कि मैं इनके साथ जा रही हूँ, ये location है, I've reached here.
Yeah, true.
And they want a time
Yeah.
जब they want a set time कि इतने बजे I'll leave from here. And if there is not a text on the group saying I've left, there's going to be calls. You said you leave at this time. What are you doing?
Yeah.
What's the what is holding you back?
correct?
I get it. It's from a place of concern,
Concern. Correct.
but I don't want that.
मुझे चाहिए कि मैं एक बार बाहर जाऊँ और मुझे किसी को कुछ नहीं पता. मेरा एक फ्रेंड है, वो बाहर निकलता है, उसको गाड़ी क्यों नहीं देते? क्योंकि his parents are concerned वो वापस नहीं आएगा. उसको इसीलिए गाड़ी नहीं मिलती, उसको चलाने आती है, उसको पार्किंग आती है, उसके पास
Really?
लाइसेंस है, उसको गाड़ी नहीं मिलती क्योंकि वो वापस नहीं आएगा. भाई ये कंसर्न है.
ये मुझे चाहिए.
You know, there was this reel that I saw like really long back, and then how a dad reacts to his daughter going out versus how he reacts to his son going out. The dad will say to the daughter, oh, like come back at this time, be safe, blah blah blah. He's like to the son, of course, it's a joke, and he tells his son, be on earth.
Real.
Oh my god.
Real.
केटी पेरी के माँ बाप ने बोला होता. तीसरा वीडियो है. तीसरी बार
It's just
ये औरत
stuck with us.
या ये औरत की बात कर रहे हैं
बात
हम.
कर रहे हैं हम.
Yeah.
सोचो कितना इनग्रेन हो चुका है
इधर
उनमें.
इधर लगा है.
इधर वही तो. एक और चीज मुझे लगता है कि जब बंदे इंस्टाग्राम चलाते हैं तो उनमें बिल्कुल अवेयरनेस ही नहीं होती कि वो जो कर रहे हैं वो पब्लिक है. भाई देयर आर पीपल दैट आर लाइकिंग व्हाटएवर द फक दे वांट टू लाइक,
Oh yeah.
नॉट फकिंग नोइंग इट्स पब्लिक. जब औरतें रील स्क्रॉल कर रही है वो इंटेंशनली लाइक कर रही है. इंटेंशनली मुझे लोगों को बताना है कि मुझे ये पसंद है. And also girls do this thing where I'm gonna curate a reel sending like
Oh, yeah.
list to what I think you will like.
Yes.
And men do like, ये funny है, ये मैं
ये मुझे funny लगा,
मुझे फील लगा
मैं भेज रहा हूँ.
Yes, correct.
They're so selfish like that.
Yeah.
They're so selfish like that.
Because I know the reels I sent to her will only be liked by
Yeah.
her. If it's on the group, I know at least 2 लोगों को पसंद आएगा
Yep.
3 में से. अगर
Correct.
3 को नहीं तो.
उनको वो awareness ही नहीं है.
नहीं है.
उनको लगता है कि उनकी likes private है.
Yeah, and you know
उनको वो
what?
sense ही नहीं है.
Even when you
Yeah.
see the comments on certain reels, it's mostly the women who are like, "Oh, I can't be caught liking this."
Yes.
Men don't care.
They
And then
don't
they'll send you the
care.
batshit craziest thing ever, like someone like pooping in the middle of the road, or like someone
No, I
dancing
send that.
weirdly.
I
I'll
send
also
those
send that.
reels.
I'll also
But
send
it's
that.
mostly men.
No, but I'll send it. I will not publicly like it.
I'm not liking it.
No, sometimes you see likes of these men also.
One thing I'll
What do you
publicly
like
like every time is that guy that gives gutka tricks.
Oh.
He gives tricks to have
Valid.
gutka.
Because it's
Which I think is so-
survival के लिए अगर करना पड़ जाए
Fair
कोई यहाँ
enough.
बंदूक रखकर बोल कि गुटका बना मेरे को तो मैं क्या करूंगी.
Exactly.
इसका
Yeah.
रील मुझे चाहिए educational purpose
Yeah, I will
के लिए.
save it. I will save those reels.
Yeah. And like एक बार ये हुआ था मतलब my friend was going through something and the like वो बहुत प्राइवेट चीज थी जो भी वो गो थ्रू कर रहा था लोगों को पता नहीं थी. मैं उसकी लाइक्स डिप्रेसिंग रील्स पे देख रही हूँ. मैंने बोला भाई मैंने और मेरे दूसरे दोस्तों ने बोला भाई तेरे इतने लाइक्स है तुझे लगता है तू ये प्राइवेटली हैंडल कर रहा है. नीज लाइक मैंने लाइक ही तो किया है और क्या किया है. देन लाइक जब हमने समझाया कि ये लाइक सबको दिखते हैं वो नेक्स्ट डे मुझे फोन करता है बोलता है कि मैं अपने लाइक्स कैसे हाइड करूं. लाइक शी वाज आस्किंग मी इंस्टाग्राम पे वो बटन बता जिससे मेरे लाइक्स हिडन हो जाए दूसरों के लिए. I'm like ऐसा बटन
है ही नहीं.
Don't like.
ऐसा बटन नहीं है. यू हैव टू बी इंटेंशनल विद योर लाइक्स. वो बेचारा गया अपनी लाइक्स में उसने सारी चीजें अनलाइक की है.
But भांडा फूट चुका है brother.
Yeah.
भांडा फूट
But
चुका
see,
है.
that
फूट
again
चुका है.
ties back to the whole thing, right? That we are so like aware and we are
So
so
mindful.
conscious,
Yeah.
mindful about our every step. And
Hmm.
guys are just like, ठीक है यार, like क्या ही फर्क पड़ता
कुछ
है?
नहीं.
ये सबसे
Like-
deranged reel है मैं पहले like
Who
करूँगा.
does it affect the most? Not me, not my guys. It's you.
I have a problem where I can't unfollow any of my friends' exes. You know this.
You can't
I can't
unfollow.
unfollow people in general. I
Oh
will
my
mute
God.
them. I
Hmm.
can't unfollow them. And then sometimes I laugh at a reel and then I'm like, fuck, it's liked by one of my friends' exes. I can't like this now.
Yes.
This is hilarious.
Yes.
But I can't like this.
what if that person thinks
We both
I-
are like the
together.
same.
I to
We
follow,
think the same.
I to follow their ex. Long-term boyfriends. I still follow their ex situationships.
she's at it.
I follow
Shots fired.
everybody. The problem is I have a problem with following and unfollowing.
Yes.
I will not easily follow or
Yeah.
unfollow.
We know.
Yeah.
So मतलब एक तो बंदा है मेरे दिमाग में आ रहा है उसका नाम मैं लूंगी नहीं. But वो बंदे का लाइक दिखता है तो मैं fuck यार ये इसको फनी चीजें क्यों पसंद है. मुझे भी अच्छी लगी थी.
Yeah, because I want a reason to hate you, and this is not helping
this
at
is
all.
not
Yeah.
at all helping.
yeah.
Like we
They
have
need to
the
stop.
same humor. No, we cannot. I'm above you.
I'm way
Correct.
above you actually.
But circling back to the whole swiping right on like on a dating app,
Yes.
I do want to experience what it's like to be a man and flirt, yes, on Tinder and these dating apps, but also physically at like a club or at a social event, and just
Ooh.
experience what it's like to feel the feelings before you approach a woman, be it in your league or not. I just want to feel that dumb confidence that they hold, and I feel like I've not seen that a lot in women. We are very self-critical.
Yeah.
We doubt ourselves a lot before even taking a step, knowing that we may be good at it.
Yeah, because
But guys don't have that filter where they're like, oh, I don't know if I'm good at it. I don't care.
The
I am going for
likelihood
it.
of a woman hitting up a man is very slight.
And
very
if
slim.
she
So if
is-
they want something, they have to do it themselves.
yeah,
Yes.
because if a woman is wanting a man, she knows he likes him.
Yeah.
She knows for a fact that he likes him, and that's
Correct.
why she is getting up and doing all of that.
Yeah,
But for a man, men are not single by choice.
Hmm.
Men are single because they can't.
Out of
Circumstances.
circumstance.
Yes, women are single by choice. If I'm
Correct.
single right now, I want to be single, not because I don't have men
Yeah.
DMing me or like men who don't like me or like me.
Clock it. Oh my god. I am having so much fun talking about this topic
Yeah.
that I don't want to stop.
Yeah.
So I'm thinking if we can make 2 parts of
For
this
sure.
of this
Because
episode.
Whilst having the conversation भी चीजें click हो रही है दिमाग को तो वो सब
Literally.
निकल रही है.
And I think this is gold. This is golden
For
content.
sure, for sure.
If you watched it up until this point, give us
A man
A
emoji.
man emoji.
give us a man. No, give me something better, yaar.
The dancing man emoji.
Oh, that's my favorite. I
I
like
love that more than the girl dancing.
I-
Hmm.
same. I like it's so spicy when a guy uses the girl.
Yeah.
I
And a-
always use the guy.
I always use the guy. Anyway, give us the guy dancing
Dancing
emoji, that one.
Hmm.
And yeah, while you're on YouTube, subscribe to the channel, like this video, share it with your male friends, with your dad, with your boyfriend, with whoever a special man is in your life.
And if you're listening to us on Spotify, don't forget to give us a good rating on there as well.
And if you're listening to us on Instagram, don't forget to like our reels, comment nice things, share our reels, and also follow us on Instagram at We Are Besharam.
And
Until next time,
stay
Besharam.